How to change color on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change color on Fall Guys. Changing color on Fall Guys is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open Fall Guys, launch the Fall Guys game on your platform. Go to the customization menu. From the main menu, select the customization option. Select the outfit tab. In the customization menu, look for the color tab or option. This is where you can select and change your color. Choose a new color. Browse through the available color. You may have some default option or special color you have unlocked or purchased. Equip your new color. Select the color you want to use and confirm your choices to equip it. Apply changes. Make sure to apply or save the changes. Your new color will be displayed in game. And here you go, that's how you can change color on Fall Guys. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.